In this video, we're going to have a look at how to calculate the mean of a data set using non-grouped data. So the formula we use when we calculate the mean of a data set of ungrouped numbers is the mean is equal to the sum of all of the scores divided by the number of scores. So having a look at the different components of the formula, we start off with the mean symbol. So whenever you see that symbol, you know we're talking about the mean. So up the top of our fraction, we've got the sum of all scores, or the total of all numbers in the data set added together. Down the bottom of our fraction, we have the total number of scores in the data set. The steps required to calculate the mean of an ungrouped data set are as follows. The first step is to add up all the individual scores in the data set. The second step is to count the number of individual scores within the data set. The third step is to divide step 1 by step 2. So divide the total number of individual scores in the data set by the number of scores. So we'll have a look at an example to see how we apply these steps. So we have an example where we got to find the mean for the data set. So the first step is going to be to work out what is the sum of all of the scores. So to do that, I need to add them all together. So it's going to be 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 and plus 5. So adding all that up, you get equals to 33. The second step is to work out how many numbers you have in the data set. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in my data set. So now that I've completed step 1 and step 2, I can go ahead and complete step 3, which is to calculate the mean of the data set. So start off by writing my formula. So mean equals the total of all of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So that equals 33 divided by 8, which equals 4.125. So the mean of the data set shown is 4.125.